Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to reload your transaction data in Bither Crypto Wallet. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Bither application on your device. Now, enter your PIN code here to get access to your wallets. Now, go to your settings icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen. After that, find and click on Advanced Options button. Now, you can say Reload Transaction Data on these options here. Click on it and you will get a confirmation here. Click on OK button to reload the transaction data, where you will need to type in your password. After typing in your password, click on OK button. It may take some time to reload your transaction data. So that is how you can reload transaction data in Bither Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.